Welcome to the personal property tour for 40 Bowling Green Street in Methil. This is a fabulous 3-bedroom bungalow. It is superb inside, so many original features, fantastic garden, amazing views as well at the front. You've got parking to the rear on the street. You can access the property from the front and the rear as well. I'm just going to take you on the tour so you can get a feel for some of the garden already. And this is the property here. Isn't it glorious? So it's just nestled lovely here, and I'll take you on the tour. So this is the front entrance. They primarily come in from the rear, but this is the front entrance. Look at the stone tiles, isn't that beautiful? And this door, you can't really see the staining so much from outside, it's so bright, but once we go in, it's gorgeous. So much in the way of features in this property. So we come straight into the hallway. So straight away you can see it's lovely and bright. And the ceiling roses, the cornicing, the original doors, it's just glorious. So I'm going to go and flip around so you can see back down to that stained glass. How beautiful is that? Isn't it gorgeous? That's the original door. It's very wide. And then from here, we're going to start with the bedrooms. So we'll go straight in to the first of the double bedrooms. It's a great space, lovely and bright, really high ceilings. Again, you've got the ceiling roses in here as well. Lovely cornicing. Big window letting in lots of natural lights. So it's a nice sized double room. You have a double wardrobe here as well. But the views as well from the bedroom, absolutely stunning. So over the garden and then across the water. It's absolutely glorious, as you can see. Go back out into the hallway. So this is a second entrance door to the lounge. You have a lovely big cupboard here, and then it kind of goes around the corner here. So again, a nice feature on the walls, and then into the second of the doubles. So straight ahead you've got a big cupboard. It's a lovely spacious bright double room as well, as you'll see, and you've got double wardrobe here too. It's a great sized room. And again, as you have with all of the rooms, you've got beautiful ceiling rows, as you can see. Such a great space. Lovely and bright, isn't it? And then we go back out into the hallway. And then straight ahead, there is a really good sized single, which could also be utilised as a home office. Currently using that as an office space as well. A lovely room. Great home office or child's room. Again, you've got this lovely high ceiling, so it makes it really spacious. Love the door as well, the detail. And then go back into the hallway. And then from the hallway, straight ahead is your bathroom. So it's a 4-piece in this property. Again, it's a great sized space. So you have your WC, lovely big window there. Great sized walk-in shower. Your hand basin and also your bath. The shower in here is thermostatic as well, with rainfall shower head, as you can see. It's a great space. Then from here we go into the open plan lounge dining area, and just wow, I love that ceiling rose. Such a big room. So you've got a window here as well, it's lovely and bright. So you've got dual aspect with the open plan area, but I love the fire as well. Look at the tiling on it. It's really nice. It's a great sized room, and you'll see that as we go down. So this is the dining part of the room, as you can see. And then open plan through into the lounge. The lovely big bay window. It's lovely and bright in here. Again, look at that beautiful ceiling rose and the cornicing and picture rail. So pretty. And the fireplace, so it is an open fireplace, it does function, it is utilised today, but it's the original fire. Look how gorgeous that is. Such a lovely feature. You've got this beautiful big bay window, so it's letting in lots of light. Great views over the garden and over the water. You get them from the side as well, it's just beautiful. It's a lovely space. But from this angle you'll see as well just how big this room is. Isn't that beautiful, that cornicing and picture rail? It's a lovely space. It's a great sized room. And again, just give you a flavour for this one. And you've got this great cupboard down the bottom here as well. So again, I'll just flip it so that you can see the amount of space there is. Lovely. Then we go into the kitchen. So it's a galley style kitchen. But again, I love the door. You've got 3 windows in here, so it's lovely and bright. You've got your integrated appliances, so you've got your double oven and your microwave. You've got your hob and extractor above. And I just love the view from this kitchen. Wouldn't mind standing here doing my dishes. It is gorgeous. Beautiful view. It's a lovely space. It's a very private house in regards to neighbouring properties. Another bonus, you've got a utility room here. I love the original pulley as well, isn't that fab? It's a great storage space in here, and you've got a window too, so it's lovely and bright. And then we'll go out into the garden. So it's on street parking, which you can achieve just here. So you come through your gate and then literally walk down the side of the property. And straight away you're seeing the views even just from the walking down. You've got a great wood store here for your logs for your fire, which is fab. It's a tiered garden, as they are in this area, as you'll know. You've got beautiful patio area here. So this is nice and enclosed. So great if you've got a dog. They're not getting out of this area. But look at the view. Isn't that gorgeous? And you can see right across to Ely Point. It's beautiful. All you can hear is the birds. So you have this lovely patio to the front, as I say. You go through this little gate and then back into your garden, which was where we went to the entrance of the property. That'll give you a feel for this extensive garden. So this is a lovely country part of the garden. Lovely flowering area. But again, really peaceful. Look at that view. You see the Bass Rock straight ahead there. Isn't that lovely? You can walk around the whole of the property. So that's the other side of the property there as well. And then we walk down the steps. Let's see, it's a tiered garden. So in this area you've got your lawn area. There's also the original drying poles are down there too if you want to hang it out there, but you've also got your whirligig up there. So this is your lawn part of the garden, isn't it beautiful? So colourful. And then down here we've got a natural woodland part to the garden as well. You can come up, there's a gate here, you can come up the steps down here too. The current owners don't utilise that. And that's the property just nestled there. Isn't it glorious? That garden is stunning, isn't it? All the colours. So peaceful. So just to summarise, this is 40 Bowling Green Street in Methil. It's a 3-bedroom bungalow. So many original features. It's in a fantastic location. Literally just round the corner you've got local amenities, so you've got the stores, hairdressers, barbers. You're literally a 10-minute drive, if that. You're down at Leven Beach, the swimming pool and all the facilities that are there. You've got your Fife Coastal Path, so you can have lovely walks there too. You've got great commute links, so you're going to have the station that comes to Leven, but actually you're on the bus routes as well. You're about a 15 to 20 minute drive to Kirkcaldy, so you've got the train station there as well, going to Edinburgh, Dundee and beyond. It really is in a prime location. You've got Aberhill Primary School, is literally just about a 5-minute walk from here as well. So many facilities on your doorstep. It really is in a prime location. It's a beautiful garden. It's one level living. It's just a fabulous family home. If you're interested, feel free to contact me here directly. Otherwise, you can call the team on 01333 421 774. This one is on the market for offers over £220,000. And it's Perry at Fife Properties V. Take care. Bye bye.